Hi everybody, I hope you're all well. My name is Saj and I'm going to be running the workshop today. I am super excited and I hope you are all too. So today we are going to be making Dreamcatchers. So what I'm going to do first of all is show you two examples of Dreamcatchers that I have made. Now they are just to help you, to give you an idea of what yours could look like. So don't feel worried that yours won't be like mine. It's just to give you an idea. So here's the first one. And here's the other one I've made. I've made two different types. Okay, so before we start, I'm going to show you some of the materials that we are going to use. And I'm sure you'll recognise most of the materials I've got here because they'll be materials you'll find in your recycling bin. So first of all, we've got lots of bright, shiny materials like crisp packets and chocolate wrappers. You see, lots of bright colours over here. And then if you've got any newspapers as well, so I've got some examples here that you might want to use. You may have some paper plates. I've got a few left from my little children's birthday parties, so here are mine that I'm going to use today. Okay. They can be any colour, they can be plain, it doesn't really matter. And also maybe cereal boxes or pizza boxes as well. And you will also need a pair of scissors and a pencil and some sellotape. Also other materials, if you've got coloured paper, like some over here, that's quite handy too. But if you haven't, it doesn't matter. If you have though, then please do bring them along for your workshop. And finally, materials such as wool and string. So I've got a few examples here. I've got bright coloured pink multicoloured wool and some plain string. I even found some ribbon that you use for wrapping presents. If you've got any of those, then that's great too. And also I've got some pasta and I've got some penne pasta here. You could use tube pasta like macaroni too. And if you've also got some beads, that's great too. So these are some of the examples of the materials you're going to be using today. Okay, so for the first stage we are focusing on the rings and we are going to look at using paper plates. As I say, it doesn't matter if they're coloured or plain, it's just whatever you have at home. And you may need a grown-up to help you with this. I'm just going to poke a hole in the middle, like this. Like that. And I'm going to cut all the way around the side, so I'm leaving the edges of the paper plate. So I'm just working all the way around. Don't worry if it's not perfect, that really doesn't matter. There you go, that's one of our rings. So for the second ring, if you don't have paper plates, that's fine. Maybe you have some newspaper. So for this part, we will need some sellotape, scissors, and some newspaper. I'm going to take a sheet, and I'm just going to just twist it. Just twist it all the way around first of all. Sellotape. It's a bit fiddly to start off with. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get sellotape and wind it around all the way around the ring to make it secure. this is going to be the last sellotape for this ring. Yeah, I think that's ready. Right, so the next one we're going to do is we're going to do another ring, and this time we're going to use a pizza box. Okay, so we're going to start cutting our next ring. You could use a plate if you'd like to and draw around it, but I'm just going to go with the flow. So this time we're going to cut the middle part differently to the one we did with the paper plates. So what you need to do is fold this in half. And we're just going to cut around like that. As I say, don't worry if it's not perfect, doesn't matter. And now we've got our 3 rings. So we're going to carry on with our Dreamcatchers, and we've come over here because it's a bigger space because I need my helpers. So I need Zane and Cal. Where are you? Oh, hello, you two. You must be a wolf. And you look like a stormtrooper.
These androids we're looking for.
Are you ready to help me out today?
Yeah.
So, we are going to be making Dreamcatchers. Can you see behind me? There are 2 just on the wall. You're going to make something a bit like that, okay?
I will do a clever one.
Oh, okay.
I want my imagination. I will get that.
Well, what we need to do first of all though, boys, can you see these rings? You've got to choose one and then we're going to decorate them. We've got some rings here, Zane. Which one are you going to choose to make your Dreamcatchers? You're going to have that one? And what about you, Cal?
That one.
Oh, cool. Okay, boys, so now what we've got to do is decorate our rings, okay? So what you need to do is choose either some material here, like crisp packets, or we've got colour paper. So first of all, we're going to ask Cal, which one do you want to use? You want the Quaver packet. What about you, Zane? What materials do you want to use to decorate yours? Do you want one of those? Okay, so what?
I want the big one.
Okay, what colour?
I want yellow.
Do you want any of the yellow over here as well, Zane?
Yeah.
It's really bright and shiny. What about... Do you want to use the Quaver packet then? It's really bright. Okay, so Zane, what we've got to do first of all, we're going to cut these up, okay, into small pieces, like you do at collage. And you're going to do the same too, okay? You're going to cut yours up. You want the bright blue. Yeah, do you want to cut this up into small pieces? Just cut them up in any shape you like. Doesn't really matter.
Say, do you like this one?
Okay, boys, so now we have got all our bits of paper, haven't we, ready for the collage? And the next bit is we are going to stick these onto our rings. Okay, so let's get our rings. So there's yours, Zane, and there's yours. That's okay. And we are going to use some sellotape to stick it on. I'm going to help you with the sellotape. What you need to do is actually just put the paper wherever you like on the ring, and we'll get some sellotape and we'll stick it on.
Put that right.
Okay, so should we start?
Yeah. lightsaber.
Okay.
I've got a big piece you can cut.
Okay. Hello. Okay, so we just need to keep sticking to try and cover the whole of the ring, okay? We're nearly getting there, aren't we, boys?
Mm-hmm.
So just a little bit more, Zane? What do you think? Over here?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
My dream catcher could be amazing.
Oh, brilliant.
Mine is 2.
Oh, cool.
Mine is 2. Mine is 2.
You're both are going to be amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, I think we're nearly done, aren't we, Zane? Do you think maybe a little bit more? Anyone?
I don't think so.
No? Okay, in that case, I'm just going to put a bit of tape on the bits which are really loose, and then it's all done.
Yeah.
Can you put it down then,
I'm
please?
finished mine.
Okay. So the boys have gone upstairs now to get changed into some normal clothes, and while they're doing that, I thought what I will do is show you how to do the middle part, the crisscross part. So the first thing is to choose what string, wool that you want to use, and if you don't have any string or wool, you could always use plastic bags. Just cut them up into thin strips. That's perfectly fine too. So let's get some string. Okay, so you will need a grown-up to help you with this bit because it is a little tricky. So there are a number of ways that you could do this. You could either make little holes all the way around the ring. I just tend to poke a pencil through, but as I say, you will need an adult to help you. Or what you could do is what I'm going to do now, and it's first to turn this over, and then when we start crisscrossing the string, I'm just going to sellotape them at each point. So I'll show you what I mean. I've got my string here. I'm going to start like that. And then with some sellotape, stick it down there. Here. And I'm going to go over. Okay, so we've done the crisscross part, and now I'm going to turn it over, and hopefully it's worked out really well. So here goes. So the boys are back, and now we are going to do yours, Zane. We're going to do your crisscross. How about that? Yeah? Cool. So what colour string would you like to use? Which one do you like? You want the pink one? Okay.
Yeah, but it's more mushier. Let me fill it. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's more mushier. Okay.
Let me fill the
So,
by one.
which one? Do you want to fill that one? Go on.
Mushier.
Is it mushier too?
Now I'm going
Oh, go on then. You fill that one too. How's that feel?
to fill that too. Now the other one.
Oh, and the other one. There we go.
It feels yuck. Mushier.
Mushier. How's that feel?
Hard.
Right, so first of all, we're going to sellotape this down onto the ring just to get us started. Read it with sellotape. So just fill it, that's it, like that. I'm just going to put some tape on all these bits here. Okay, brilliant. So, shall we show everybody what we've done so far? Do you want us to show them? Do you want to lift your ring up? Right, okay everybody, so we've got one more stage left to go. We've done our first bit, which was actually to make the ring, and then the second part was the crisscross strings in the middle. So now we need to have the dangling bits at the bottom, the strings where you can attach feathers or beads or pasta or whatever you like. So do you want to choose a colour of string or wool? If I put them here, do you want to choose?
Pink.
You want the pink and you want the white. Yay, brilliant. That's really good.
Look, strings on mine. That's all. I did it, I finished.
Yeah, brilliant.
Yeah, I called this the string.
So my boys have chosen pasta to have at the end of their string, but I want to quickly show you how you can make little feathers like some of these. So it's really super easy. You just fold your piece of paper like this. You cut out like a leaf shape, like that. There you go. And then all you need to do is make little slits along the sides, but not going all the way along, like that.
Do that by
Here we are. There you have a feather that you can attach at the bottom of your string. So here we have our final 2 Dreamcatchers that my boys have made. How fantastic! Are you happy with them?
Yes.
Yeah?
Mine's like the clown.
Yeah, it's amazing!
My favourite was
So
the
I
clown.
look forward to seeing your designs and I hope you have a great time and enjoy making them. Take care everybody!
Yay! See you next time. See you next time, guys.